So one of the first things you need to know about truck driving is you have to have e-logs, and they record when you're driving and when you're not driving, because we have these things called hours of service where you can only drive so much. So these are what e-logs look like. They're on your phone or on a tablet. And the first rule is the 14-hour rule that you need to know. Basically means that once you start your day, within 14 hours, you have to stop for your 10-hour break. Now basically your 10-hour break means you just can't be driving or performing any functions of the job. You have to either be sleeping in the truck or at your home or just away from your truck in general. And then after that you got 11 hours of driving, straightforward. You have 11 hours, you could break it up into different pieces, or you could drive for 8 hours at a time, or however you want to break it up. And then you have your on-duty time, which can fill up your 14-hour, or you could fill it up with just being in the sleeper, which means you're either strapping your load, loading, backing into a dock, checking in with a customer, or anything of that nature. Also doing your pre-trip or your fueling, you have to be on duty. Now I mentioned earlier in the video that you can only drive for 8 hours at a time. Now you could drive a total of 11 hours in each day, but 8 hours, and then you'll have to take a 30-minute break. Now this isn't 8 consecutive, it doesn't have to be 8 consecutive hours. You could break it up also. And there's the 8 and 2 or 7 and 3 split rule. So they've recently changed this, and back in the day you used to be able to stop for 8 hours in the sleeper, and then you could drive and finish up whatever time you had when you parked, and then you'd have to stop for 2 hours, and then you kind of go back and forth like that. But the difference on the new one is now that 2 hours doesn't count against your 4. So it basically pauses your 14 hours, and I use this all the time, at least once a week. And then to wrap this up, you have the 70 hours in 8 days. So basically in 8 consecutive days, you can only have 7 hours of driving or on duty time.